Ek is Jack de Priester en ek sit hier so saam met Dr. Joan van Wijngaard wat ongelooflike produkte al ontwikkel het. Hierdie Vitadurance, maar dis PA. Vertel my, hoekom het jy dit ontwikkel?
So I developed this product for people like myself. PA stands for palmitoyl ethanolamide. It also works on your endocannabinoid receptors, reduces pain, reduces inflammation. It was a drug discovery. There is so much studies on it. But what it actually does is it helps people like myself. I've got some nerve issues. I've had drop foot. I've got a little bit of scoliosis in my back, so I have a lot of nerve issues. So by taking this one in the morning and one by night, at night, I actually maintain my symptoms. So it's for people that actually use a lot of painkillers. This is an alternative if you want something natural that doesn't affect your kidneys or your liver. This is a good alternative. You can use it along with your pain medication so that you can reduce it. I've been taking it for probably more than a year now, and the upside of it is that it's got a white paper immunity as well, so I don't get sick at all anymore. But yeah, this is your friend if you have pain due to whatever reason.
Kan jy vir 'n hangover ook gebruik? Daar's hy. Joan, thank you so much.